Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, what we're going to be covering is the spike lug nuts. I wanted to go with a cheaper off-brand, if you will, for the first ones, and then I'd like to go ahead and get some ones that are maybe from like a higher quality brand, something like Venom or something like that. And I just want to compare the difference between these and maybe some that are from like Venom or spiked lug nuts or any of those other companies that produce like the I guess higher quality spikes. So these ones, I looked them up. They're Coyote premium wheel accessories. We ordered them off of Amazon. You can find them here if you do a search for Coyote accessories. These are supposed to be like a forged lug nut, so we'll see how they go. But it's a kit. 251848 BLK is the kit number. It comes with 32 M14 by 1.5 lug nuts. We've already gone through and looked at all of them. There are some blemishes on these from the factory, but we ceramic coated all of these with just like some cheap ceramic coating, but the finish is pretty good. But you can see like there's some blemish right there. You can see it at the end. But these are supposed to be like painted, and then I don't think they're powdered. I doubt it. I think they're just painted, but pretty sure that's what it said on the website too, is that these are, they have a black oxide finish. They're forged steel, and so they put the black oxide finish on and then they paint them. So if any of the paint chips off, the black oxide is supposed to prevent rust, corrosion, all that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and install these on the truck today. We're just going to swap one out one by one. The one thing that every manufacturer that I've talked to has said is not to use like an impact on these, because the impact from I guess the hard hits from the splines on the key will cause them to chip and whatnot, even if they're powder coated. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on nice and easy, and then torque them down and see how they look. Alright guys, so here is the final product. The wheel's a little bit dirty, so excuse me for the dirtiness, but all in all, I think they look pretty good. They give the truck a whole different look for sure. So we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of these, but you can get these on Amazon. I think they're around 70 bucks or so. So check them out. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and install the rest of these. Hope this kind of gives you guys an idea of some other brands that are out there, both lower cost and higher cost, or higher quality, maybe even lower quality, I don't know. We'll test these out and see how they do compared to like maybe some Venoms once we get those. But I hope this gives you guys a good idea as far as what you can do, and I look forward to putting these up against some Venoms or some other spikes. We got all of them installed. I'll post a link in the description as well where we found these on Amazon. Overall, we're really pleased with these. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification to get notified of new content we upload. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.